equals your DELL Vostro 5000 just won't start. We're Kelatos IT, experts in technical repairs. We pick up your device right from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. We're located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. This issue might be due to a faulty power connection or a dead battery preventing it from powering up. We can fix this by replacing the battery or checking the power supply. If you don't want to risk it yourself, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right back to your door anywhere. Link in the description.